Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today we are finally going to start working on my RMZ 450 build, so stick around. So plan for today is to get my impact wrench and take this baby apart completely. I want to have engine, frame, and all wheels and suspension, everything apart completely, and then we'll start working on engines. We'll start working on cleaning aluminum parts and all kinds of things one by one. But for today, the plan is to take the bike completely apart, drain the oil, drain the coolant, and then start working on it. Hopefully you like the songs I'm gonna pick for this video. I don't know yet what it's gonna be. Hopefully something that not too many of you will complain. So let's have some fun. But I'm making a video.
Why?
Huh?
Why? You're making a video? Can I try to do that thing?
Yeah, come. Push this. Here. Push this.
I
Push this button.
know how to do
Yeah, push the button. Push. Okay, push. Okay. Enough. And one more.
Okay.
Wait, I'll tell you. Okay, push. Okay. Now take this fender. Take it. It's coming off. Okay. Can you give me? Can you give me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
One more?
Push it, yeah. Push it.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Okay, thank you. Give me. Thank you.
Is there something else to do? Or no more?
I will do other side, okay? guys, so I think the mission is accomplished. I wanted to to bring these two things on the table when I'm done. I know I used a little bit unorthodox, a unique method to do all this work, but hey, I had fun. I don't do this every day. And you know, I took my time. My daughter came to see me, she helped me a little bit. Even my dog came to bother me, so I had a good time. We finished all today. Everything is off the bike. So we're ready to start cleaning the stuff, working on the engine, and working on everything else. And I'm stoked that finally we have everything off. Alright guys, I think that's about it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and you know, hit the button down below. I'm a little bit tired, it took some time, but it's all good. Okay, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.